Bitcoin trades above $42,000, Ether stays below $2,400. Solana DEX Jupiter's JUP token to debut with 1.35 billion circulating supply. Sui becomes a top 10 DeFi blockchain in less than a year. China to introduce revised crypto AML regulations by 2025. Jack Dorsey's block announces layoffs, citing leaner operations. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets gyrated between positive and negative zone in the past 24 hours with leading cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin and Ethereum charting different ways. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
Bitcoin hovers near $43,000 mark. The IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, is 0.65% to 55,142. As we know, the Grayscale transferred Bitcoin more than $5 billion since January 12th, but the latest transfer of 8,670 BTC is the smallest volume so far. Meanwhile, over the first 12 trading days since approval on Jan 10th, the new ETFs have seen total net inflows topping $1 billion. Investors await the Fed's rate decision, which as per the Fed funds futures market is likely to remain unchanged. Investors would monitor the shift in central bank's policy stance, if any, in the post-meeting statement and Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's remarks. The global crypto market cap is $1.65 trillion, a 0.65% decrease over the last day. Interestingly, the crypto market traded $65 billion during the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin accounting for $23 billion of the volume and Ethereum $10 billion. Overall, Bitcoin dominance has remained high while Ethereum has fluctuated, rising to 19% shortly after the Bitcoin ETFs were listed, only to decline back to 17%. US stock futures traded mixed as investors focused on the tech earning release and Fed rate decision. Futures tied to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures traded lower, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 0.14%. BTC was trading at $42,817, down 1.37% in the last 24 hours. Shares of Bitcoin mining company Grid Infrastructure extended their drop into the second day after the Cincinnati, Ohio-based firm completed its listing on Nasdaq this week following its merger with a special purpose acquisition company, EdTech Acquisition Corporation. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up 0.76%, trading at $2,324. The British bank Standard Chartered expects the SEC will treat spot Ether ETF applications similarly to Bitcoin ETFs and anticipates approvals on May 23rd. That should send Ethereum price surging higher by 70% from current levels and hit $4,000. BNB was down 1.78% to trade at $305. Solana SOL traded 2.9% lower at $100. Cardano's AT token lost 4% to trade at $0.51. Doge, the popular meme coin, fell 2.1% at $0.079. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.51, down by 4.6%. Polkadot was down by 3.8% to trade at $6.75. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1.4% at $0.82. Shiba Inu was down by 2.4%. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $34.5, lower 5.9%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Jupiter, a Solana-based decentralized trading aggregator, is scheduled to launch its native token JUP through an airdrop on Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST. The token will have an initial maximum circulating supply of 1.35 billion. Jupiter's pseudonymous founder Mo said Tuesday in a forum post, downwardly revising the total number of coins available for trading from the previously decided figure of 1.7 billion. In other words, the token could begin trading with a market cap of around $700 million, considering the JUP US dollar perpetuals traded at 65 cents on Evo. Of the initial circulating supply of 1.35 billion, 1 billion coins are off for airdrops, 50 million each for loans to market makers on centralized exchanges and liquidity pool needs, and 250 million for a launch pool. Airdrop refers to crypto projects distributing free new or existing tokens and message to their communities to boost adoption. About 955,000 wallets that interacted with Jupiter before November 2 are eligible for the JUP airdrop according to data source Airdrop Official. Layer 1 blockchain Sui, created by the team that led Meta's Dime crypto project, climbed into the top 10 decentralized finance rankings Tuesday, less than a year after inception, the project said. The total value logged has jumped by more than 1,000% in 4 months, catapulting the blockchain above more established incumbents such as Bitcoin and Cardano, as well as Coinbase's Layer 2 base. The dollar value of cryptocurrencies deposited in its decentralized finance protocols topped $430 million, making it the 10th largest blockchain by TVL, Sui said. According to DeFi Llama, Sui was home to 22 DeFi protocols, 2 of which had a TVL of over $100 million and 4 protocols with more than $40 million each. China is set to make a major amendment to its anti-money laundering regulations to include cryptocurrency-related transactions amid calls for greater scrutiny of the nascent crypto industry by policymakers in the country. According to local media, Prime Minister Li Qiang chaired an executive meeting of the State Council on Jan 22 to discuss the revised AML law. The first revised draft of country's AML regulations was proposed in 2021, with the revised draft included in the legislative work plan of State Council in 2023 and will be signed into law by 2025. Well, this will be the first significant revision to China's AML regulations since 2007. Financial payment processing firm Block Inc., co-founded by Twitter creator Jack Dorsey, has reportedly laid off more than 1,000 staff members. According to a Jan 30 Business Insider report, Block fired a large number of its teammates in a single day to streamline operations at the financial firm. The layoffs affected staff in the Cash App, Foundational and Square arms of Block, affecting roughly 10% of company employees. Well, the staff cuts came roughly 2 months after Block announced plans to launch a self-custody Bitcoin wallet. The firm reported $5.62 billion in revenue for the third quarter of 2023, with $44 million in profit on its Bitcoin holdings. In the last 3 months, major US companies have announced similar layoffs as part of efforts to cut costs, including asset manager BlackRock, live streaming platform Twitch, and PayPal. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu crypto has seen a significant increase in burn rate, with over 1,411% of tokens being destroyed in just 24 hours. This has sparked interest among the Shiba Inu community and crypto market enthusiasts. The highest burns have occurred from wallet addresses, with 27 million sheep from one wallet, 21 million from another, and 10 million sheep from another. The burning spree has eliminated 410 trillion sheep from the maximum total supply of 999 trillion, leaving the circulating supply of 581 trillion sheep. Furthermore, Bad Idea AI, a partner of Sheep, has announced a version 4.2 of its AI chatbot. Shiba Inu was trading down 2.55% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have XRP. Ripple's XRP has rebounded, but the community remains unsettled by sell-offs and whale movements, contributing to market uncertainty. Recently, Ripple transferred 46 million XRP tokens valued at $24.74 million to an undisclosed wallet, raising concerns about another impending sell-off. Despite holding a small XRP reserve, there are strong chances Ripple might buy XRP to boost its reserve in the future. XRP was trading at $0.5, down 4.25% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have a new token with us, which is Ubuntu token. Africa Care has launched its Ubuntu token, marking the birth of Africa's first metaverse and a new era of digital empowerment and community upliftment. The token is designed to unify African and global brands, Web3 enthusiasts, creators, and governmental bodies in a shared mission, embodying the spirit of Ubuntu, the African philosophy of interconnectedness and mutual growth. The launch of the token is a groundbreaking move that redefines Africa's digital frontier and signifies a new era of digital empowerment and community upliftment. Next on the list, we have Celestia. Stacknet, an Ethereum scaling solution, is partnering with Celestia TIA to improve data availability for Layer 3 chains in the Stacknet ecosystem. Stacknet developers will use Celestia's Blobstream to securely store large amounts of data off-chain, aiming to reduce transaction costs and enable off-chain scaling solutions on Stacknet to use Celestia. TIA was trading at $17, down 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Pendle. Pendle, a tokenizing and future yield trading protocol, has reached an all-time high of $2.7. The protocol's native asset Pendle has seen significant activity, with 2 wallet addresses depositing $1.27 million worth of Pendle to Binance Exchange and now holding $1.3 million worth of Pendle. Its automated market maker supports time-decaying assets. Pendle was trading at $2.73, up near 2% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.